Look at these colorful ducks. Let's choose one. It's the red duck.
Hello.
Uh-oh.
Look at what I've got.
Wow.
It's a yellow rabbit cutter. Let's make a red rabbit. Wow, look at this pretty boy. What's next? It's the green duck.
Uh-oh.
Look, I have a dynamite. Let's make a small green dinosaur.
Ooh la la.
Uh-oh.
Press. Look at that. What a cute little dinosaur.
Hello.
Hello, sweetie. Let's choose the next duck. It's a yellow duck. Yellow. And look, I have an egg cutter. How about we make a yellow Easter egg? Let's take a look at what it looks like. Wow, it's a beautiful yellow Easter egg. It's amazing.
Wow.
What's next? It's an orange duck.
Uh-oh.
And look at what I've got. It's a line cutter. Let's make a bright orange lion. Wow, look at this brilliant orange lion. It's awesome. Let's use the next duck.
Yahoo!
Look, it's the dark green duck.
Uh-oh.
And I have a blue elephant mold.
Uh-oh.
Let's make a dark green elephant.
Yahoo!
Press.
Oh.
Wow, look at this lovely green elephant. It's so sweet, isn't it?
La la la.
What's next? It's a pink duck. Look, there's a green cherry cutter.
Wow.
How about we make pink cherries? Wow, look, we have two pink cherries.
Ooh la la.
Looks yummy. Do you like cherry? I do. Let's choose the next duck. Look, it's the purple duck.
Uh-oh.
Wow.
And I have a blue train cutter. Let's make a purple train. Look at that, it's a purple train. What's next? It's a blue duck. And look at what I've got. It's a pink dress cutter. It's adorable. Let's make a blue dress. Look at that. It's so lovely. Who wants to try on this dress? What do you think? Maybe the dinosaur.
Ooh la la.
Wow, it suits her very well. How about the rabbit? Wow, looks great.
La la la.
How about the lion? Look at that. The lion looks brilliant.
Na 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 na.
The last duck is black. And finally, I have a white helicopter cutter. Let's make a black helicopter.
Na 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 na. La 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 la.
Hi-ya!
Wow, it's a black helicopter. We made these beautiful shapes and learned the colors. Thanks for your help. See you next time. Bye-bye.